Hey y'all, today I'm going to be sharing what came in my Stitch Fix box. You guys, I take back everything I said about Stitch Fix this past year. Many of you guys know I took a year-long break and I just recently returned a couple months ago, I think back in January or December. I have loved my Stitch Fixes that I've been receiving. I think their Stitch Fix preview has definitely helped me get better boxes. If you're new here, you've never tried Stitch Fix before, it's basically a styling service. So you pay a styling fee per box and then you tell your stylist what you're looking for. You give her an idea of what you need, what your style is. You can send in photos. You can give a thumbs up or a thumbs down on the app to certain outfits. You can give them a lot of information and a stylist will curate a box of clothing for you and send it directly to your home. And if you decide to keep anything, that styling fee, which is $25, comes off and you have a brand new outfit. As always, I do have my referral link down below in my description box and I'll also put it in the comments of this video. That referral link will give you $25 off something in your first box. So definitely take advantage of that if you've been thinking about Stitch Fix. Make sure y'all stay tuned to the very ending of this video because I have a surprise. I have it sitting right here. I ordered a Poshmark mystery box and Poshmark is one of those secondhand clothing websites, just like eBay. I actually resell a lot of clothes on the Poshmark app. If you've never purchased on Poshmark, I will also leave my referral link down below. I believe you get $10 and then I get $10, so it's a win-win. I purchased a mystery box of clothing. It's supposed to be new with tags. I just thought that would be a fun little addition to this video. So let me go ahead, unbox my box, show you what my stylist sent me, try everything on, go over the prices, and give you my honest and real feedback like I always do. Everything I try on in today's video will be written in my description box, so if you fall in love with something, you can request it from your stylist. Let's unbox this. All right, when you order Stitch Fix, you always get a little poly mailer, and this is what you will put any clothing in that you decide to return to Stitch Fix. It already has your address label already stuck on there. You also get an envelope and it has all kinds of information, including a note from your stylist and the pricing. We will go over that at the very end of the video. Here's what we're here to see though, the clothes. A lot of really, really pretty colors. Super excited to open this. And I got some shoes. So let me show you these first. So I asked y'all in one of my, I think it may have been actually my last Stitch Fix, if you guys keep these bags that your shoes come in, and it was an overwhelming yes we do. So if I purchase shoes in the future, I need to remember that. Okay, so, oh, is this a scuff? Okay. I thought they came with a scuff. It's just a piece of, I guess they had feathers or something when they were packing these up. I love these. These are 100% my style. I think these are absolutely adorable little boots. I don't remember what the price was for these. All right, now let's open up our little burrito here, as we in the Stitch Fix community call it, and see what she sent me. So I'm already in love with the colors and I really like the styles of these. I was excited when I saw a lot of this stuff in my preview. This is Vero Moda. And again, if you see something in this box that you love and you want your stylist to send you, I'm going to write all this information in my description box so you can specifically request items. I will tell you, Stitch Fix inventory moves really quickly, especially with popular styles. So if you see something, don't wait a couple months because it may not be in their inventory much longer. Okay, this is just a really cute pink top. I'm not sure what you would call that kind of design, but it has these big poofy shoulders and it's a really fun sleeve. I really like this. It does seem to be cropped, which I don't mind because I am so petite that crop stuff just looks like it fits me normally, so that's okay. All right, here's another blouse. I love this blouse, however, I think this is something you may have to wear a tank top underneath. Yeah, this is probably not gonna work for me. You guys know I don't like to layer. I don't like to wear tank tops. I don't like to wear bandeau bras. It's too hot where I live. You guys know I live on the Gulf Coast. It gets hot here. Most of the year, you guys, it is humid and hot. We cannot be layering down here. Anyway, it's Lulus, really cute top, but as you can see, I mean, it is completely sheer. You definitely have to wear something underneath this. So, I don't know, maybe I'll find a tank top or something out of my closet so you guys can see this top. I think it's adorable. I love the little button details down here. A little bit of a peplum. If I got a layer, it's not for me. All right, this top is by Z Supply. There's the tag here. And this is also a really cute top. Yeah, I really like this. I do have a top that I did get from my Nordstrom trunk that looks extremely similar to this. And it has like a little tie at the bottom where all this cinches in. So I don't know if I really need another top so similar, but that shirt is like a velvety shirt. I cannot wear that outside. This shirt would be something I could bring into the spring and summer. Love those poofy sleeves. Yeah, love that. I mean, everything she sent me, y'all, I was in love with. So that is an A+ Stitch Fix box for me. Okay, this is by a brand I've never heard of before, Heatherly. Never heard of it. I love how it feels. Very, very stretchy. Beautiful purple top. Oh, it's a bodysuit. I forgot this one was a bodysuit. I think I may like this one the most. I love a good bodysuit because I love to tuck in. I wear jeans a lot, and I love to tuck in my blouses into my jeans just because I'm so short and petite. Sometimes if I wear normal size shirts that aren't like petite sizes, they hit me like below my hip. They just hit me weird. So tucking in my items not only elongates me, it just is so much more flattering for my body. So having a bodysuit that's already tucked in for you, win, win, win here. Love the color. Absolutely love the color. I hope I like this. I don't remember the price on this. I hope it's not too expensive. We're gonna have to go back and see. Yeah, love that. Okay, let's try on all these items and see what I think. So here's the bodysuit. This is what I was most excited about. I absolutely love it. I love the color. 2 thumbs up. I couldn't say anymore. I've been asking Stitch Fix for a long time to send me a bodysuit, and I think this is maybe the first one they've sent, maybe the second one. Love it. I think it's super figure flattering. It's stretchy. I like the deep V. Yeah, I just think it's a really flattering top. So I just tried this top on, like with no tank top or anything. You really need a tank top. This is definitely like one arm move away from like just exposing yourself. I think this is a cute top. I absolutely love the sleeves. It's just the whole, if I have to wear something underneath it, if I have to wear a bandeau bra or something, it's probably not for me. But yeah, I just think this is super cute. I love the little peplum detail. What do you guys think? This is a cute top. Like if you're okay with wearing, you know, like a little beige tank top that hits around here, this is great for spring. I don't know. This may be a top where I would probably go out of my way to put on a tank top for this one. This is really cute, you guys. All right, so here's this white puff lace shoulder top. To be honest, I don't like the material. I already saw where some strings were starting to pull out, which tells me this probably isn't very well made. It's just okay. I think the shoulder details are cute. I like the fit. I would probably tuck it in a little bit. I don't know, maybe not. I don't know, not too crazy about it. It's not a bad top by any means. I think I just don't love it as much as the other two. It didn't give me as cute as a shape, maybe. I don't know. I don't know what it is. I'm just not crazy about this one. Okay, so here's this pink top with the puff shoulder that I'm gonna call the deflated puff shoulder. It's not very puffy. I don't know. I'm not a fan of this one. I think this gives me a weird shape, right? Like if I were to wear it untucked, I just don't think it fits me very well. Let's try tucking it in. I think there's too much I think there's just too much fabric to really tuck this one in. Yeah, not crazy about this one. And these sleeves are so deflated, it just feels, it feels kind of weird and heavy on my arms right here. So here's the boots here. They're a little too tight. I do have pretty big calves, so I think these are gonna be a no. What did you guys think of those pieces? I mean, I liked pretty much all of them. I think they all were really cute styles. I decided just to wear this for the ending of the video. Let me read you my note from my stylist, then we'll go over prices. Then I'm gonna show you what came in my Poshmark mystery box. So my stylist is Angela, which at this point, I don't even know if that was a stylist from last time. She says, hello Alicia, welcome back to a spring forward fix. My name is Angelina and I am happy to be taking over your fix today. As you requested, I added some cute spring tops that you can wear now that it's finally starting to warm up a bit. Since you mentioned you love bodysuits, I grabbed the Sabrina twist front long sleeve bodysuit in a dusty purple tone. Be sure to pair it with your favorite skinny jeans and the Mia booties you scooped up from your fix preview. Some gold hoops will add some shine and take this look to the next level. I also chose a cotton top from Z Supplies with puff sleeves to add some drama to your look. Pair this style with a fitted skirt and strappy heels for a night of dinner and drinks. I'd love to hear your thoughts on these styles I chose. Enjoy, Alicia. As always, Angelina. Okay, you guys, let's go over prices and let's see what the damage is. Okay, top I'm wearing, let's just do this right here. This one is the, all right, it took me a second. This is the Vero Moda puff sleeve cropped knit top in light pink, $55. I thought it was cute. I just don't think it looked great on me. I don't think I could wear skinny jeans with this. I would have to wear it differently, I think. Okay, the purple top, my favorite top. This is the Heatherly Sabrina front, or Sabrina twist front long sleeve top in purple, $42. She's staying with me, y'all. She's not getting sent back. Loved it. Okay, this one here, this is the Lulus top. This is called the Patio Date Floral top in off-white. This one is $48. Honestly, you guys, this was my second favorite in the box. I know that I'm not big on layering, but I thought that was cute enough to where I think I would take time out to layer that. I liked that. Okay, then this last top, this is the Z Supply Anya cotton slub knit top, $54. I don't think it was worth $54. It already has some strings coming out, so I can't really justify the price on that one. Okay, love these boots. However, I have really big calves, and these did fit. They have a lot of stretch right here. This is elastic. However, I just think they're a little too tight for my liking. I like to have a little bit of room. So I think I'm gonna end up sending these back, but I do think they're really, really cute. If you have maybe like skinnier legs than I do, this probably would look good on you. Don't forget, if you've never tried Stitch Fix, I do have the $25 off your first box code linked down below. And now it's time for a fun mystery unboxing. Like I said, I bought this box on Poshmark. I did already open it, but I will insert a picture here of how she packaged this. Everything was wrapped up in plastic. She had a bow around it. She sent me a thank you card, and she has her Instagram on there. She sent me another little thank you card with some of her information. I guess she sells Thrive. I don't know what that is. I think it's like, is it like a vitamin thing, right? Okay, so this was only with tax and shipping. It was $16. You can't beat that. First thing I got was what we all love, a scrunchie. Not mad about that. And everything in here was supposed to be new. You can pick your sizes. I picked size extra large just because I sell clothing online, and I thought, well, if I'm purchasing a mystery box, let me get the most common size of an American woman, which is an extra large. I love what she sent. This is a Leaf cardigan. It is new with tags. Let me find the tag for you. You can see it was from Nordstrom. And it is a super pretty purple. It has like purple, blues, and pinks. Really pretty. It does have the puff shoulder right here. Really wide arms. We love the balloon sleeve. So you cannot beat that. That alone for $16 is worth it. I also got this, which is BP. I've actually received this brand in my trunk club. And again, this is new with tags. I just thought buying a mystery box from Poshmark would be fun and fun to unbox for you guys. I do a lot of mystery unboxings if you're new to my channel. I buy mostly my mystery boxes either from Goodwill. They have an online website called Goodwill Blue Box. I either buy them from there or there's another website called ThredUp. It's like an online consignment store. They sell what's called rescue boxes, which are mystery boxes. They're really hard to get, the good ones. They have one called the ThredUp designer box. You can get Gucci, Prada. I've gotten that box 3 or 4 times. It's like $130, $140, but worth it. It's really fun. I just thought I would share this with you guys because it's just a fun way to get new clothes. This is a navy crop top by that BP company. Super, super cute. If you're interested, if you're watching this and you're interested in anything, either comment down below or DM me on Instagram and you know I'm going to give you a great deal. Gibson, I like that brand. I've tried it before. I love these. These are a pair of like beige, ribbed, just casual shorts. Oh my gosh, you guys, this box was fun to open. The last thing, I'm going to say new without tags because it has a tag, but it's just the clear tag here. I think she messed up here. No big deal. She gave me a size medium, but it's Free People. And you know how expensive Free People is. This is just a little tank, just a striped tank. So that's what I got in my mystery box. Again, I only paid like $16 for everything, all new with tags. And I got a scrunchie. You can't beat that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Tomorrow I am going to be putting out a Goodwill Dollar Day video. My Goodwill's here in my area. They have a Dollar Day sale and I think I got like 20 things. It was a lot of fun. I'll upload that tomorrow, but until then, bye y'all.